Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again I am back in the kitchen, and today we're doing another unboxing. And once again, hello Smart House. We are doing some more additional Alexa, I keep not trying to say her name so not to trigger yours, capable outlets, and these are kind of cool. For those of you that don't know how to do wiring, what these little bad boys do is they let you plug these into a socket, connect to the Wi-Fi, just like the smart switch I did the other video for, and it lets you control an electrical device on and off remotely through your Alexa or Google Home if you're using Google Home. Let's go ahead, and I just got these. Got some gift cards for Christmas, so I said, what the hell, why not take advantage of them? Let's go ahead and we're going to do the unboxing and take a look and see what it comes with. Before I get started, I do want to once again for you guys to celebrate Christmas. I hope you had a Merry Christmas. For those of you guys celebrating the New Year, I hope you have a Happy New Year, a fantastic 2019. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want to reach out to me, guys, please feel free to reach out to me via the YouTube app itself with comments and questions. I answer them all the time. All the time for my Injustice video that I did several months ago and other videos as well. Definitely make sure if you guys want to reach out to me, I'm on Facebook, Jesse Alfalto on Facebook. I'm on Instagram, MDEVLSPAWN01, Medieval Spawn 01 on Instagram. You can DM me there as well too. Just reach out if you guys have any ideas, any comments, any questions. Please feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you guys. Enough of my yapping. Let's get to it. Let's unbox it. Well, there you go. There's the top of the box. It is from Gosund Smart Socket WP3. It's a model number. It's got the front side here. Art, same thing. 3 drawings. Says this is the 3-pack of it. It's got the Amazon label on the bottom. On the back, we've got the same kind of drawing. Lets you see the 3 of them. Again, the manufacturer Gosund. The model number WP3. Lets you know it's rated for 100 to 240 volts. Current rating is 10 amps max. Working temp is 10 to 60 degrees. Wi-Fi is 2.4 N-type, guys. Remember that N, it does not do AC or 5G. AC frequency 50 to 60 hertz. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and take a look and see what it comes with here. I almost broke a nail. Jesus Christ, that was hard to open. First thing that pops up is a mini socket instruction. It's got the QR code for the Smart Life or Go Smart app. If you use either one of those, I'm using the Smart Life app because it controls the light switch that I got and this as well too. Lets you know getting to know it, left times, smart scenes, the work safety information, and everything that we got going on here too. So let's go ahead and move that over to one side. We're going to go ahead and pull it out. As we can see, real basic white cardboard box. Got an insert holding all 3 of them up, and it's got 3 of them in there. So let's go ahead and get a good look here. There's your plug, and it's got the 3 of them. Oops, looks like that one's a little scuffed. No big deal. It's going to be plugged into something. Don't care. There's the power switch. It comes with a cover insert so the tongs don't get damaged in transit and don't make contact either, which I think is very, very cool. It kind of looks like the Enterprise with that nerd alert right there. Sorry, guys. Go ahead and turn it over here. Let you know the model number, input voltages, so on and so on. Goes on the manufacturer label as well, which I think is really interesting because it says it's a company from North Carolina. So it's not U.S. made, obviously, but it is a U.S. company distributing these under this label. It is kind of big, so I have a feeling that you will still have access to the other plug, you know, the dual outlet, but I don't think you'll be able to put 2 of these bad boys together. I just feel like they might be a little too big. I could be wrong. Once I get them installed and tested out, we'll find out and go from there. But that's pretty much, oh, dropped it. There we go, Butterfingers. That's pretty much everything, as you can see, that comes in the box. You got the 3 plugs right there. Can't wait to test them out. I'm going to be using these mostly for lighting. I'm going to have one in my living room. I have a torch lamp in my living room that I used to use with a clicker control. I have my fish tank, and I also have the light on my bedside table. And yep, I'm that lazy. I want to be able to control these with just my voice using Alexa through my Fire devices. If you have Google Home, it'll do it as well too. But that's pretty much everything that comes in the boxes. Once I get them up and running, we'll see what it looks like and go from there. As always, guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a great night.